Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses, to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Please make sure that you hit the bell to be notified of any new upcoming videos dealing with dreadlocks. I will also have sections that will be talking about story times, which is one that I'm doing now, as well as health, losing weight, and then also makeup. But it'll be in a subject rate line, so therefore, if you don't want to watch certain things, you could just stick to the dreadlocks, or you could check out some of my storytime videos, which are going to be the bomb. They will get better each time. This is new to me, actually expressing, my story times or whatever stuff that I've gone through. So just, give me a chance and being open and honest and transparent with you. Okay, as you can see from the title, I ran over a man. Okay. It was some years ago. I cannot remember what year it was, but I know that my child was very young, and I don't think that she quite remembers what happened. And I pray that she doesn't. Drinking a healthy antioxidant smoothie. Anything that's purple as antioxidants, have blueberries and all that type of stuff in. I had to just throw a little nutrition thing in for you. Kale, my vitamin K, some fiber, some flax seeds and all that. But anyway, took my daughter out for pizza. Had not taken any medication or anything. Was feeling great. Was in a neighborhood far away from my home. In a neighborhood that there weren't a lot of people of my descent, but still, it was a nice, decent neighborhood. I'm driving in an area that I know very well, and I've seen this man many times because my daughter's father used to work not far from there. This man, he sold flowers. It was a white guy. He sold flowers, and he would always have like a box, and he'd be outside standing, kind of hefty guy, and he was, selling flowers all the time. I would see him. So I'm driving, and all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. I just kind of like spaced out. I wasn't on the phone. I wasn't doing anything. All I knew was I felt a bump, and something just told me to stop. My daughter's in the back seat now. She's in a car seat, a booster seat or so. She was in a booster seat, so she had to be about 5 or 6. And I turned around and looked, and I hit the flower man. He was on the ground. I must have hit him pretty hard because my side view mirror on the passenger side fell off. So I get out the car, and I'm trying to assist this man, and he, shouts out explicit things to me, which I understand because I hit him. He was on the ground again. I'm trying to ask him if he hurt. Do I need to call the ambulance or anything? And he was just like, no, I can get up on my own. But mind you, again, I'm in a neighborhood where it's not many people with my skin color. So people are driving by and seeing, I guess they're assuming that, I'm not just helping the man, but I actually caused him to be on the ground and possibly be hurt. People were shouting out things that weren't very nice, and I'm trying to remain calm because my daughter's in the car. All I could think about was, God, please don't let me go to jail. Please don't let me go to jail. My daughter's in the car, and for her to be traumatized by that, and also me because I've never been in handcuffs, and that would just be like extremely scary for me to be restricted in any kind of way. So I asked him, I said, well, is there anything I could do for you? Can I give you anything? Can I, whatever? And he basically told me, no, he didn't want me to touch him. Go figure. I can't understand why. And he was just like, just come back and check on me. That's all I want you to do. Just come back and check on me and see if I'm okay. And I've gone that way I went that way one more time, and I didn't see him. This has stunted me from being able to do any type of long driving. I do not drive outside of like a 4 or 5, no, I would say about a 6 mile radius or so. I do not feel comfortable with driving. And also, after I hit him and got picked up my light and everything, I almost had a head-on collision with someone else. It was just like, I don't know what happened. It was just like I was in La La Land. All of a sudden, it just didn't feel like I knew where I was going. Everything looked different, and I almost had a head-on with a truck. And I was just like, what is going on? Again, no medication. Not that I hadn't had any earlier, which could have been affecting me, but I hadn't had any like within hours. So, and everything was going smoothly. So I didn't understand how this had happened. It really freaked me out. I mean, all I could think again was, I'm going to jail. I'm in this neighborhood where the police don't necessarily like my kind or whatever. But it turned out to be okay. Again, yeah, it traumatized me, and I don't like driving too far. I don't like driving at night. I used to drive to I drove back from like New York, and I used to do a lot of driving and stuff on little trips or whatever. But now it has stunted me from being able to do so. It's another thing that I have to conquer. I'm just blessed that I was able to talk to my therapist about it, get it out, talk about it, because I was scared to really tell anybody, because it was just like, what if the man died, or what if whatever. I knew that things were supposed to be confidential with my therapist, so I went ahead and told her, what was going on. But that was one of the things that caused me to later have anxiety thinking about it, worrying about him and everything. I'm grateful that things turned out okay. Again, I've never seen him again. I don't drive far. I don't do a lot of long distance driving anymore. I think my car is 10 years old and I only have 45,000 miles on it. That goes to show you that I really do not do any driving. Never in my life did I ever think that I would hit anybody, run anybody over or anything. Thank God no bones were broken or whatever. But that's my story. That's what happened. I didn't go to jail. Thank God. And I pray that he's okay and still alive and kicking. If you like my story times, thumbs up the video. Leave comments down below. If you've ever been in a situation like that, let me know. I know other people who have panic attacks when it comes down to driving. I don't have that. I just don't like to drive. My OnStar was messed up because of a jump that I had, and they told me it was going to cost $1,000 to get it fixed. And I was paying $44 a month just to have OnStar, which told me directions and unlock my car door or let me know where my car was. I loved OnStar, but I no longer have it because I wasn't paying $1,000 for a modulator. Let me know if you have OnStar on your car. I'm getting a new car next year. I'm turning 50, so I'm getting a Jeep Wrangler. But yeah, if you ever had an accident that just was like really traumatic to you, leave a message down below, or you can send me a private message or so. But if you really want to share here, please do let me know. If you had any type of tragic accidents, if somebody else caused the accident, comment down below. Thumbs up the videos. I'm really trying to enhance this channel, by adding story time, so you'll know more about me, by adding, different things. I know a lot of people don't like to wear makeup, but there are some people who do. I will be doing makeup videos, talking about makeup, minimized, for people who don't like to wear like bright colors and stuff like I do. How you could do subdued looks, and I'm even going to show how you can, just wear lashes and just open up your eyes, and that's enough, and throw on a little gloss, and that's more than enough. And of course, it's always beautiful to be natural. So your skincare routine has to be on point, which means that your diet has to be on point. But we'll talk about that in the next video. Please like, or thumbs up, comment, and if you made it to the end of this video, let's see. What do I want you to say? Just say the color purple. Just say purple, which means royalty. You can say purple, you can say royalty if you made it to the end of this video, which is only 10 minutes long. If you can make it 10 minutes, purple or royalty. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I hope you all like the new additions. I really do. If you don't, also comment down below and just say, no, I'm just here for the dreads. But you can just watch the dreads. You don't have to watch these videos. Share the videos. And also check out my merchandise in the description box. You can hit me up. You can see my hair, how long my hair is, and different pictures that I take or whatever. My family and everything on Instagram. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Snapchat. All of that is in the description box. I'll be doing a makeup video soon. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment. Please just thumbs up. We don't have to be negative. This is a negative-free zone, so please don't leave negative comments. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Much love.